External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Brazilian Foreign Minister Mauro Vieira are co-chairing the 9th India-Brazil Joint Commission meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to US President Joe Biden and discussed Ukraine and Bangladesh situation. BJP MLA San Borshulai moods amendments to Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules 2016 on the second day of autumn session of the State Assembly. Information and Public Relations Minister Ampuri Lingdo on Tuesday said that the state government is taking a slew of measures for the welfare of the journalists working in Meghalaya. Northeast United secured a spot in the final of the Durand Cup 2024 after beating regional rival Shillong 3-0.